What's up, guys? We're going to talk a little bit about an issue I'm having with my build, my P80 build. This thing is filthy right now because I haven't cleaned it since I got back from the range, but we're going to go over mag releases, how to change them out, and a reason why you might. The title of this video is going to be, why is my Glock eating magazines? See how that one's kind of chewed up. Little push mark. And it doesn't want to focus, but you may be able to see it right there. Not bad. Definitely bad. I have a mag release in this box, hopefully. It's an OEM one, so my thought behind that was I might as well get an OEM brand new one, so I can't blame another extended mag release. And there it is in there with the new spring. Alright, so now you'll see the mag release, that pin right there. We're going to want to slide it free through that grooved out hole and then pull the pin out, and that will allow us to slide the extended mag release out. I mean, this works for installing and uninstalling. Alright, after some fiddling around, I managed to get it free, and I'm just going to pull this all the way out. This is the extended mag release that I was using, and now I'm going to compare it to the OEM one. I got a new spring, but that spring was plenty strong, so I'm just going to keep this as a spare part. Here is the OEM one, and here is the extended one. And yeah, actually I can see a difference right away. The OEM one has a thicker catch on it. More meat for it to catch. You can just see that right off the bat. I'm gonna go ahead and measure these and just see how much. 4.5 at the thickest point. I think I saw 4.27, 4.8, 5 millimeters. So yeah, that little bit actually makes a difference. Where, yep, 4.8. Where this one allowed them to pull out because there wasn't enough meat on the catch, which is right here. That's a bummer, but that's okay because we have an OEM replacement right here, and then down the road we'll just go ahead and get something else nice and gold. So to get this guy back in, what I'm going to do is place it back in like so, and then shine a light so everybody can see. So I got this going in here, but I need to get it behind that pin. So I'm going to just bend it out. Oh my, I'm able to do this somehow. I'm prying the pin out, and I'm going to slide the new magazine release behind and show you holding the pin, sliding it. Going to release it and push this guy through. Alright, simple enough. Now I'm just going to slide it over. Use something a little bit meatier. Alright, I might need two hands, but you get the idea. Okay. And now we have a new magazine release in there, the OEM one, which has more catch on that side right there, where the magazines were pulling out. Still functions. Yeah, now it's not going nowhere. It's got a more audible click to it too. It's really snapping into place. So I think that absolutely will fix that problem, which is awesome for me.